How's it going, guys? Like here. Welcome back to the channel, and this is my first video of the year. Alright guys, hopefully the first week of 2021 has been treating you guys well. I'd like to wish everybody a happy new year, and hopefully everything goes a lot smoother this year compared to 2020. And alright, so today's product is 2020 top heritage high number. So this product basically came out during the last week of 2020. I just got it today, and can't wait to show you guys this. Speaking of heritage, I don't know if you guys remember that video back in February 2020. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave the link above in the right upper corner there. Click on that and you will be taken to a box break video, my box break video on a hot box, Topps Heritage hot box for 2020. So check that out. It's pretty neat. It was my first ever box break on a hot box. So check that out if you haven't. So this product cost me is going around for around $100 right now. This has it's a relatively big product, 24 packs and 9 cards per pack, so that makes it around 200 cards in here. We are looking for real one autograph or relic card in every box. So real one autograph is basically on card autographs. So if you ask me to choose between these two, I think I would choose the autograph. That's a no-brainer. Yeah, so this is 1971 Topps design, and I don't think it has any awesome information on the bottom of the box. All right, without saying anything further, let's dig right into it. So Topps Heritage, it's a fun product. There are a lot of variations and a lot of different short prints. If you look at the checklist for this product, which I did before putting out this video, or before I doing this video, it's a long list of everything, so it's a pretty interesting product. So you really have to take the time to look for rare short prints and different types of there's subtle things that in this product. I don't think there are any other products within Topps line of products that has this type of variation, this wide range of variations of different cards you can pull here. Anyways, so we got a box topper, Super Baseball. So we will open that last. How's that? So I'm going to put it on the top of the box there so that I don't forget. Here you go. Hopefully it's focus. Very good. All right. First pack. There we go. All right. So off the bat, we got Wilmer Flores, Thomas, Robert Duggar, Zach Davis. We got 1971 World Series highlights. This is what the back looks like. Okay, that's an interesting insert there. Maikel Franco, Sogo Akiyama, rookie, and Ryu. And by the way, for those you don't know, these are not real autographs. It's just a reproduction of the autographs. So yeah. All right. Well, so far I don't think this is a hot box. I don't think I'm not that lucky to have a second box of Hot Box. So, but yeah, let's go on. Let's see here. Nothing really exciting. And we're gonna go relatively quick here. And if I miss anything that, you know, either is a short print or something rare, please point it out in the comments below. So because Alex Wood, 1971, another one here. Clemente Clobbers Clincher. The previous one we pulled was Most Valuable Pitcher Clinchers World Series. This is Earl Weaver, Clemente, Frank Thomas, Todd Frazier, Castro, rookie. This one feels, this pack feels a little thicker. Gotta be some goodies in here, or not. All right, Perez. Oh, we got a Mike Trout Award winners. American League MVP. Very nice. Mike Trout. Very cool. Anything Mike Trout is good. Let me put this a little closer there so you guys can see. All right. We got a rookie. Robel Garcia. Team Lopes. Rookie. All right. Moving right along. Hernandez, Bailey, Jalen Davis, outfield. And we got a rookie home run king, Now and Then, P. Alonso, insert. Grossman. And rookie is Kevin Ginkgo. Or Ginkel. Sorry if I mispronounced the names. Feel free to correct me in the comments below. Bomber and Duhar. And we have a Ozuna. I think this might be a short print. I might be wrong, because like I said, I look at the checklist before I start doing this video. I believe anything be higher than 700 is a short print. The corner got kind of dinged a little bit, but that's good. I think that's called what's called a action shot, maybe. I think. And we got a rookie, and there's something wrong with the printing here. But anyways, that's too bad. Kwang Hyun Kim, rookie. A pitcher for Cardinals. And we got Luis Robert. Very nice. Overall, I think the condition is okay. Very nice. Nice Luis Robert there. Okay. Hoffman, Rios, Himman, Clubber, Cortez, Class, rookie, Kopak, Fairbanks, rookie, Hempson. So since this is the high number, there are a lot of the players that haven't that didn't appear in the regular Heritage product that was released in February 2020. So we are seeing a lot of new players. Okay, Ernie Banks. Let's play 2, 528 parenthesis. Okay. Interesting. Another interesting inserts. Straw. All right. Navarez. Okay, so we got probably a relic there. Wheeler. Mookie Betts. Very nice. Who do we have? Jeff McNeil. Nice. He's not bad. He's a good player. Relic car. Clubhouse collection relic car. Cool. Okay, just put it right here. All right. Moving right along. So since we got a relic, does that mean we don't get anything else? We'll see. Because I've seen videos where they pull a relic and a autograph. So hopefully that is our case here. Diamondback. And another P. Alonso Award winner. Okay. Another P. Alonso. So the previous one that I pulled was a Now and Then P. Alonso. This time is award winner card. Very nice. Okay, so let's see. Ravello, rookie, Hunter. Strahm, Cordell, Strahm. Do you guys know that he has actually a channel? Check out his channel. It's pretty interesting. When the season is on, he would, I think he would go to the field a couple hours before, and he will film his box break. He actually breaks, do like what I'm doing right now, and he will film it at the stadium that he's about to play. So pretty interesting. I forgot the name of his channel, but look him up. Maybe do some search. A pretty interesting channel that he has. So let's see here. Cashner. Okay. I will look it up, one of his video, and I'll put a link up above. So you can check out his channel. Same thing, in the upper right hand corner. I'll link one of his video too for you guys. So Chris Davis, rookie performer, Bo Bichette. Very nice. I love these insert cards. Very interesting. Randy Dobnak, rookie. And we got Shun Yamaguchi, rookie. All right. King Wong, rookie. Mayfield, rookie. Rodriguez. This one is upside down. Castro, Starlin Castro. Why is it upside down? 709. So this is probably a show print. Most likely a show print. And why is this a show print? Well, you guys tell me. See, this is the thing about Heritage. Unless you really study the checklist, sometimes you have to kind of look for everything and find out why is this a short print. because the number is 709. So, but anyways, so I'm gonna put this down here. I'll look it up later. Kibun. Okay, Both, Castro, Joyce, and Kobe Bellinger award winners. Another one, huh? I have a whole bunch of award winner cars here. Mazzara and Joe Berti, rookie. Okay. Okay. Rendon, again, it's upside down. Oh, look at this one. Oh, we'll get to that. All right, so white border, rookie. Doesn't get better than that. White border rookie, very nice. I don't think I ever pulled a white border rookie before. Okay, let me put this here. Put it in one. This is not number, right? No, not number. Very nice. White border. Garrett Cole. All right. Graded Oral. Rookie, sorry. Smoke. Encarnacion. And we have a Phillies France, Rhys Hoskins and Bryce Harper. Very nice, Rinser. Pitcher. Beaks. McLean. Perez. Another Ruiz Robert. Oh, look at this. The autograph is missing. You guys see that? This is what I pulled previously. This is what I just pulled. Ah, look at this. So right here, missing signature. Very nice. See what I tell you? With heritage product, you really have to be very observant. Look for things that's kind of a subtle difference. I'm pretty sure, all the cards I pull, probably there's something that I missed. So I'm gonna rely on you guys to point that out if I did miss something unique or something. I don't know how rare that missing signature is, but I think that's what makes this product very interesting to keep your eyes open and look for things that are kind of different, kind of like playing Where's Waldo, that game. All right, rookie, Camargo. Okay, so we got Ronald Acuna Jr. now and then car. Very nice. Mathis, Puig, and Mendick, rookie. Okay, we got about 5 or 6 packs left. Garcia, News, rookie. Now another one. Okay, I got a lot of inserts in my box here. Walk off Will Smith, now and then. Very nice. Jose Rodriguez, Don Camp, Moreland. All right. Anything else? Oh, this one is upside down. Again, anything that's upside down or upside, front side back, always look for. Okay, so again, to 721, it's in the 700. It's got to be something show print, something like that. So anyways, I'm gonna skip it for now. Mendes, rookie, Romo. Oops, sorry, I bumped the video there. Catcher, Wallach. Oh, another relic, huh? Chimere. Oh, nice. We got two here, huh? All right. Well, kind of disappointed. Didn't get an autograph, I guess. I mean, we already pulled two relic, so probably not going to get an autograph. Okay, stop. All right, that's okay. That's okay. I'm happy with these two variational parallel, whatever you call it. Farmer, another upside down. Don't know what this is. 718. Don't know. All right. I might be wrong. Maybe 700 is just regular cars. I believe that the car starts 500 and then goes up to 600 because there's a 200 base car checklist. So anything, 700-ish should be a short print. But anyways, let's move on. All right, got second to the last pack. All right. Another rookie performance. Zach Gallen, rookie. Nice insert there. Okay, last pack, guys. And then we will open the box topper. I got a rookie here, Tyrone Taylor. And we got a rookie performance of Aquino. Very nice. I actually like all the inserts better than the regular cars. So, got Zavella again and Sean Armstrong. Alrighty. So the highlight of this box. Again, thanks for your patience. I know I'm going over 20 minutes on this video here, but the highlight of the box is we got kind of disappointed, did not pull any auto. So these are the two relics that we pulled, McNeil and Kiermaier relic. All right, those are the two, and then we have a whole bunch of insert cards, pretty decent insert cards, I would say, and the 1971 World Series highlight inserts. I got Bo Bichette insert rookie performance, Aquino rookie performance, Zach Gallen, who else? And now and a whole bunch of now and then car award winner. I got Cody Bellinger and P. Alonso. Those three here. And this one. And I think the best cars that I pull here is Louis Robert, both the regular and the signature missing a car. So missing signature, as you can see on top of his picture there. So that's pretty neat. And then I got this white border, Garrett Stubbs, rookie, which is very nice too. Okay, let's go on to the box topper. Sometimes the box topper can be a signature, so that's what I'm hoping. Since it's a one card thing, it's kind of hard to open. There you go. I don't want to bend the card too much. Alright, let's see what we have. We have Paul Goldschmidt. Very nice. Okay. All right. So that is the 2020 Topps Heritage High Number Hobby Box. Thanks for watching. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel. I put out at least one video per week. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please share this video. Until next time, have a good one, guys.